Here comes Amy. That's the new puppy. Phoenix and Amy. Aww.
You have worked with him, and your future's looking dim. But these things your heart can rise above. Once in a while he won't call you.
How do you like my background music? My TV just plays that when I'm on Channel 3. It just plays all those lovely oldies and goldies that I dearly love. Isn't she a cute puppy? She and Phoenix playing together.
And he'll kiss your lips and caress.
Yep. Getting serious now. And then we do have Jenna snoozing on the couch. My beautiful Jenna. Hi, sweetheart. And panning back to the baby. Whoa, Beanie just knocked my camera sideways. Whoa.
Then he'll kill your lips.
Kissy time.
And caress your waiting.
What do you think, Jen?
And your